Hello friends, I am here to discuss the March quarter preview for the IT sector. For the IT sector, in the March quarter, we expect 1.4% to 4.1% top line growth for the top 4 IT company. Volume growth for the March quarter is going to be better than the last quarter, as the last quarter volume growth was soft. So this quarter, we expect volume growth to see some uptick as compared to the December quarter. On the margin front, we expect the margin to decline on a sequential basis around 50 to 60 basis point. Although on the Wipro and SL, we see the minimal kind of margin decline on the Q&Q basis. For Infosys, we expect a margin decline of close to 50-60 basis point on account of full quarter consolidation of the Lodestone Consulting revenue. As we know that Lodestone Consulting revenue margin is below the average margin of Infosys, so full quarter consolidation of Lodestone will impact the margin for Infosys for the March quarter. For TCS, $29 million settlement for the class action suit in the US will impact the margin for this quarter. So margin will fall account on that. And if you exclude that one-off item, the margin will likely to remain stable for TCS. On the company focus side, we believe that Infosys guidance to likely to be remain on focus, and on the organic term, we expect that Infosys to guide around 10% odd Y-on-Y growth in the revenue for FY14, and including Lodestone, we expect 11 to 13% kind of revenue growth, which we believe will send a positive filler to the market and will have a positive rub-off effect in the other IT stock also, if Infosys is going to guide around 11 to 13% growth. Coming to the recent numbers from the MNCs like Oracle and Accenture, which indicate towards a soft discretionary spend for FY14. Most of the management committee believes that FY14 revenue is going to be better than FY13. So we don't really see much change on that side of the commentary, and we see the management committee to remain status quo in this quarter also. On the valuation front, our conviction stock like CMC, Persistent and SL Technology has given a handsome return in the last 6 months. For CMC, which has almost given a return of 26%, Persistent 28%, SL Technology almost 36%. In the near term, we believe that the return is kept because the IT sector has already outperformed the broader market indices smartly in the last 6 months. However, for the next 1 year basis, we believe that IT sector is going to outperform, and we see further room for upside in the IT sector in the quarter to come. We continue to remain positive on the IT sector on a 1 year perspective, and we continue to have a top pick in the SL Technology and CMC in the mid-cap space. Coming to on the summary side of the result, we expect Infosys in the rupee term, the revenue growth will be 3%, the net profit will going to degrow by 2.7%. TCS, the revenue growth will be 2.7% Q-on-Q, the net profit growth will be 1.4%. Wipro, we expect 2.1% top line growth, whereas bottom line growth will be muted. SL Technology, the top line growth will be close to 2.6%, the bottom line growth will be 1.7%. In our mid-cap coverage, NID Technology, we expect 3% top line growth, whereas bottom line expected to be muted for this quarter, and is going to report around 56 crore kind of net profit. Persistent System, we expect 2.4% top line growth, and bottom line growth is likely to decline this quarter on account of the margin fall, and the bottom line expect to decline by almost 7% Q-on-Q. CMC, we expect 3.9% top line growth, whereas net profit is expected to grow by 5.5%. That's all from my side. Thank you.